Hype, overhyped. This is the new Nothing Phone 1, and I'm gonna keep things simple. I am not gonna into the hype of this phone. I'm gonna tell you my thoughts on this phone because I know you've been waiting for it, and I'm gonna tell you if this is the phone get in the long run. So let's go. Nothing Phone 1. Nothing Phone 1 ships an eco-friendly box made for recycled fiber. It gets destroyed upon opening, and unless you tap it back, it will never look the same. So once you rip that paper box open, inside you will find the Nothing Phone 1. Will get a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and there even this phone is known top of there. This is just some device documentations, and overall the packaging is fairly minimal to say the latest. It's even made such it can be recycled straightly. The creativity in the SIM ejecting tool, transparent, look like, isn't it look like a small LED? Just for ensuring uniqueness. See, accessories, this might have earphones, charger. Don't expect all the in such a small box. Wait, don't unwrap it, let's completely reveal other item in box too. Accessories, this might has unwrapping the phone finally. Design is really antique, as is earlier felt in would be a stickers. But this is transparent partially. Really feels like the transparent version of the phone, only the notch is a miss. Isn't the perfect punch hole camera? So this is a phone that has got a lot of interesting things going for it, but all the hype, all the controversy is around. When I first got hand on this phone, I was really excited about this light. See, I was loving how bright this light got the haptic feedback. While checking out the ringtone is really good. I was loving the charging. So ClearTech is making a comeback, and Nothing certainly want to be at the very forefront of that. All the A1 earbuds were a fairly safe start for the brand, and although we spent limited time with Nothing first smartphone release, the phone one certainly leaves more than a lasting impression, for better or worse. The good thing is the once you wipe always for the hype is actually seems fairly solid overall. You probably wondering what is just in the box. Well, beyond the basic fact away, they getting the phone out and getting a good look at its form, share designs, perspective, the Nothing Phone. The Nothing Phone 1 fonts a transparent bag made up of over 400 components, with over 50% of the plastic components made for bio-based and recycled source. Aside a serving as a built-in portable ring light, perfect for snapping pictures in dark environment. The phone Glyph interface displays unique light pattern to indicate application notification, incoming calls, and battery status. Additionally, the Glyph interface can switch the quiet mode simply by flipping the phone with the interfacing upwards. The Nothing Phone 1 employs a 60.555-inch OLED of premium quality. It's offered 10-bit color depth and can display up to 1 billion of colors. There is 120 Hz refresh rate, 240 Hz touch rate, and HDR10 plus support. The resolution is traditional extended 1080 pixel, resulting in sharp 402 ppi density. Rather mainstream display, the phone doesn't really need the latest Snapdragon chipsets, not top tier Snapdragon 778G plus 5G chipset, which has already proven itself. The camera department seems quite down to earth too, but enough nevertheless. This is the 50 megapixel dual camera over at the back, a primary with a wide angle OIS lens and an ultra wide angle secondary with a 16 megapixel selfie camera is on the other side, sitting within tin display punch hole camera. The Nothing Phone 1 supports up to 33 watts fast to wide charging. The Phone 1 also supports 15 watts wireless charging, and you can even wirely reverse charging device on its back. High quality built of 2 flat Gorilla Glass 5 piece and an aluminum frame chassis in between. The whole thing is IP53 rated for dust and light splash resistant. It would have been nicer to get complete water protection IP67 rated or more. Connectivity 5G dual bands, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 6 support, Bluetooth 5.2 support and NFC support also. The Nothing Phone 1 speakers scored a very good marks on our loudness test. On the other hand, the sound quality is merely average. The step plays high tones well, but its mid tones and bass are notably weak. The memory variant of Nothing Phone 1, 128GB, 8GB RAM, 256GB, 8GB RAM, 256GB, 12GB RAM, UFS 3.1. That's it guys, this is my first video. Please support me, please subscribe to our channel. Stay safe, bye bye.